Hello, and welcome to the Fortus Hub app. Let me show you around. The feed is your space to discuss, share, and network with other professional peers. Grow your presence by engaging with others and posting your own updates. You'll also be able to find the latest blogs, news, and videos from Fortus. Interested in a particular subject? You can filter the content whenever you see the hashtags in the top bar. From the dashboard, you can view your groups. Groups are dedicated networking and sharing spaces for specific areas of interest that you care about. You can join a group at any time. All you need to do is click the title of the group to enter. Enjoy exclusive client benefits from Fortus and our trusted partners. To redeem a benefit, simply click the link or email address shown in the black bar. After registering, which will only take you a minute or two, you'll be asked to join the Fortus Hub directory. This lets you view and message other members. Within the top bar, you can filter by member type, including the Fortus team. If you have any questions, please get in touch. From the dashboard, you can view the calendar. Here you'll find details of our upcoming masterclasses, events, and webinars. Simply click the event name for more information and easily save the event to your own Apple, Google, or Outlook calendar. You'll find a wealth of webinars, presentations, and thought leadership blogs available 24/7 within the Insights area. Select the topic folder you're interested in to view more, or use the hashtag in the top bar. Insights are regularly updated to provide you with expert knowledge and education on demand. If your business is changing, or you simply have a question about your account, you can quickly and easily book a 10 to 15 minute catch-up call with your dedicated Fortus Client Service Manager. Complete the form and we'll be in touch to arrange a time convenient for you. That's it, you're now ready to get started with the Fortus Hub, your new expert-rich social platform. To get things going, why not post an update within the feed to introduce yourself and join a group?